Here in this program, we will find the HCF by using Euclidean algorithm. What is this algorithm? The Euclidean algorithm is based on the fact that HCF of two numbers divides their differences as well. So I will elaborate it in detail. So first we will see that we are going to define this function, define compute HCF of two numbers x and y, and after it we will go through a while loop that will take the value of y and it will iterate until the result reaches 0. And here we see that in this algorithm we divide the greater by the smaller and take the remainder. Now we will divide the smaller by this remainder also. So this is the logic of this Euclidean algorithm. So we repeat until the remainder is equal to 0. For example, first see that we are going to execute this code. We have taken two values, 300 and the other value is 400, and we will compute the HCF of both these numbers, and in the end we will print and display the HCF of these two numbers. I will execute this code. You see here that the HCF is 100. So when we divide 400 by 300, we get the remainder of 100. And we see that we will take another example. We want to divide 30 by 24. So you see here that in case of 24 and 30, the HCF would be equal to 6. So according to the Euclidean algorithm, we divide 30 by this 30 value by 24, and then the remainder is equal to 6. Then we divide 24 with that remainder that was 6, and then the remainder is equal to 0. Hence 6 is the required HCF in this case. So this is our answer output, while in the case of 300 and 400 numbers, the output was equal to 100. So this is the while loop here, the body of while. We will iterate through it and until the value of remainder becomes equal to 0. So this algorithm will